Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 1 English class.
Today, we are going to have a revision for our upcoming periodic test 1. The portions are the lesson 1, turtles and blends, and also the grammar 1 and many. The course book, that is page number 1 to 13, and in workbook page number 4 to 9, and also in your activity book page number 4 to 11. So these are the portions for your periodic test, children. Now let's revise this exercise one by one. Children, first let's revise from the workbook. So take page number 4 in your workbook. Look at the title, that is the question. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Look at there, children. There are so many apples are there, and in each apple a single word is written. So first you have to go through the words carefully. You have to read the words what are given in each apple. You have to read the words, and then you have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order, the box which is given below. For that, first you have to know what you mean by alphabetical order. That is, alphabetical order means to arrange the words, the starting letter of the word, that the first letter of the word must be in A, the second letter, that is the second word, and it should begin only with the letter as B, the next with the C. So thus you have to concentrate on the first letter of each word. So according to that, you have to arrange the words. The first word must be start with A, second word must be with starting with B, and third word should start with C, and fourth word was with D. So likewise you have to arrange it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Likewise you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. So according to that, you have to take and write the words in the boxes. All the 26 boxes are there. So how many letters are there in the alphabets? Yes, there are 26 alphabets. So you have to read each word, and then you have to arrange the words in an order. Look at the first word, yarn. Next, purse, ball, hand, milk, zebra, coat, arrow, nurse, tree, doll, Xmas, that is a Christmas, frog, igloo, onion, juice, eagle, lamp, watch, goat, snake, vase, kite, udder, quill, ring. These are the words given. So you have to first go through the starting letter, that is the beginning letter of each word. According to that, you have to arrange. You have to arrange the words in an alphabetical order, that is from A to Z in the box which is given below. So now look at the answers, children. The words are arranged in the alphabetical order. The first letter, it's begin with A. The word, that is the alphabetical word, it should begin with the letter A, that is arrow. Second, B, ball. Third one, C, coat. C, the fourth one, doll. Then next, eagle, frog, goat, hand, igloo, juice, kite, lamp, milk, nurse, onion, purse, quill, ring, snake, tree, udder, vase, watch, Christmas, that is a yarn, zebra. So the words are arranged in alphabetical order, that is from A to Z. It is arranged in alphabetical order. So there are totally 26 letters in the alphabetic order, that is from A to Z. So according to that, we have arranged the words. So if the question is asked like this, means you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. It may be not only, it may be in the beginning of the letter, it may give in the center also. So according to that, you have to fill your answers. So this is alphabetical arrangement, how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now look at the next page, children. Match the rhyming words. So here the words are given both in left side and right side. First you have to read the words and you have to find out the rhyming words. Rhyming words means the words like the same sound, the sound. So the second sound, that is a terminal blend sound. The second sound of the word must be the same. The spelling also it will be the same, and the sound also the same. So you have to go through like that, and you have to arrange the words in rhyming words. Now look at this side, children, that is the left side. Hat is there. next top, hen, the next sun, pin. So these are the words given here. So by this side, look at this. There is a bun, bin, bat, mop, and then pen. So these words are given here. So you have to arrange like this. So hat, the sound hat is there. Which word we can match here? Bun, bin, or bat? Yes, hat can match with bat. Hat, it must match with bat. So look, say louder the sound. Hat, bat. The sounds are rhyming. The words are rhyming. Hat, bat. The next top is there. Mop, O-P, mop. Top, O-P is there. So top you should match with mop. The next hen with, that is a H-E-N. Hen with a pen, P-E-N, pen. Next sun, S-U-N, sun should match with bun. The last one is pin, pin, P-I-N, pin should match with bin. This B-I-N, bin. So rhyming words. Rhyming words means the sound, the last two letters will be the same. So according to that, you have to match the words. Match the rhyming words. Rhyming words means the sound of the words must be same. Now look at the next Roman children. Write the missing vowels. Write the missing vowels. You all know that we have already learned that is vowels means A, E, I, O and U. These letters are known as vowels and the remaining letters in the alphabets are known as consonants. Here we have to fill the missing vowels. That is the vowels were missed in each word. So you have to fill the blanks using the vowels. That is either A, E, I, O or U. Look at the first one. The word is watermelon. There the vowels are missed. A, E and then again one more E and O. Watermelon. So what are the words, vowels you have to fill? You have to fill in the missing vowels. Orange, horse, peacock, apple, uniform, ice cream, white, elephant, vegetables, table, coconut. So you have to pronounce the word properly, children. First you have to go through the letters. What are the letters is given in the box. Go through that letters and then you have to fill the missing vowels. That is A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels you have to fill in the blanks. The next part, children, that is turtles. Look at the question answer in your workbook. Did you enjoy the poem? What is the answer? Yes, I enjoyed the poem. So the first letter must be capital. Yes, I enjoyed. Look at the spelling. Enjoyed. ED you should add. Yes, I enjoyed the poem. Next question. Have you ever seen a turtle? So yes, I have seen a turtle. Yes, I have seen a turtle. Next question, children. What did you like the most in this poem? What do you like, children? Yes, you like the turtles in the poem the most. Yes, same thing you have to write in the answer. I liked the turtles the most in the poem. I liked the turtles the most in this poem. So in the poem we have liked only the turtles. Now look at the next Roman children. Answer the following questions in a word. You have to answer in a single word only. You should not write as a lengthy question. So again listen carefully, children. Answer the following question in a word. Should answer only in a single word. What did the two baby turtles do? What did the two baby turtles do? Yes, the two baby turtles crawl into the sea. So crawl, C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Next one, did the three turtles swim in the sea? Did the three turtles swim in the sea, children? No, the turtles didn't swim in the sea. Then you can write the answer as no, N-O, no. Look at the third question. How did the four turtles go into the sea again? How did they went into the sea? By diving only, dive. Can write the answer as dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Where were all the five turtles finally? Where did they went finally, all the five turtles? In the sea. All the five turtles were finally where we can see. They were in the sea. Then you can write the answer as in the sea. I-N-N-T-H-E, the sea. S-E-A-C. So for these questions you can write as a single word answer is enough. Now look at the next page, children. Add yes or es to the following words. That is, words are given there. You have to fill the words using S or ES by adding the letter either S or ES to make that singular into plural, that is one into many. So listen children, that is a singular means only one thing, plural means more than one. More than one is known as plural. And then how you have to add the letter either S or ES. So listen children, the noun, that is a naming word, noun, if it end with the ending letter, first you have to look at the ending letter. If it end with either S or SS or O or X or SH or CH, there you can add the letter ES to convert as many. That is to change into many, you can add the letter ES. Suppose if doesn't end with these letters, you can just add the letter as S. So again listen children, if the word end with either S or SS or O or X or SH or CH, there you can add the letter ES to convert into many. If it doesn't end with like this letter, just you can add the letter as S to convert into many. So look at the first one, B is there. What is it? The ending letter, only E is there. So you can just add the letter S into, make into many. So the answer is bees. Next one, wish. What is the ending letter? SH. It ends with SH. So there you can add the letter ES to convert into many. So the answer is wishes. Next one, car. It ends with the letter R. So there you can add the letter S to convert into many. Cars. The next one, ant. What the ending letter is T only. So you can add as S. Ants. Bulb. Bulbs. Book. Books. The next one, ship. Ships. Horse. Look at the letter HORSE. Horse is there. So you can just add the letter S. Horses. Shirt. Shirts. Pen. Pens. Sun. Suns. Class. Classes. So here for this word classes, it end with a double S. So double S is there. If you end with either S or SS, what you have to add? Yes, very good. You have to add ES. Classes. Class will change into classes. If you add the letter ES, it will be automatically change into many classes. Now look at the next word children. Beach. It end with SH. That is the CH. So you can add the letter ES. Beaches. Soap. Soaps. Yes, you can add it. Tub. Tubs. Tap. Taps. Plate. Plates. Cap. Caps. So these letters doesn't end with S or SS or CH like that. So there you can add the letter S to convert into many. Now look at the next one. Kiss. KISS. It end with the letter. What is the letter it ending with? SS. So if end with S or SS, what are the letters you have to add? Very good. You have to add ES. So now write the answer as kisses. KISSES. Next one, egg, eggs. Doll. You can just add the letter S. Dolls. Nail, nails. Shoe, shoes. House, houses. So like fan, end with the N. So you can add the letter S. Fans. Rose, roses. Crow, crows. Tiger, tigers. Table, tables. And then bench. Look at the word bench. What is the ending letter? CH is there. So you have to go through the rule children. If it end with CH, what is the letter you have to add? Yes, you have to add ES. Benches. Now look at the next one. Tulip. You have to add the letter S. Tulips. Bush. BUSH. What is the ending letter? SH is there. If it is end with SH, what is the letter you have to add? ES. Bushes. The next one, cup. Cups. Tomato. Look at the letter TO. MATO. It ends with O. If it end with O means you have to add the letter ES. Tomatoes. The next one, leg. Legs. Duck. Ducks. So children, how you have to add the letter either S or ES? If it does, that is if the word ends with either S or SS or O or X, SH or CH, you have to add the letter ES to convert as many. So if the word doesn't end with these letters, you can add the letter just S to convert into many. On the next page children, that is blends. Blends means that is two or more consonants that produce a sound two or more consonants when it joined together and it produces a new sound that is known as blends. And then two types of blends is there. There is the initial blends and then terminal blends. Initial blends means the front portion, the front part, the first portion is known as initial, whereas the last sound is known as the terminal blend, or you can say as terminal sound. Now look at here, write one more word using the initial blend. Here it is mentioned as initial blend. Initial blend means the starting point, the front portion. In a word, it is divided into two parts, that is the front and the last. The first part, the sound of the first part is known as initial blend. Now look at this, STEM is there, stem. What is the sound here? Stem. St, yes, st. The sound is st. Stem is there. Using that initial blend sound, you have to frame another one word. So stem, st sound is there. Or with that sound only, you have to write another one word. So stand, stand. The word here we have mentioned as stand. The same sound it should start there. Stem, stand. Now look at the next word, score. Score, sk, sound is sk, score. So you can write the word as scold. Sk, scold, score, scold. The next one, smart. Smart, smell. Sound, smell. Next one, skill. Sk, skill, skit. Sk, the sound is sk, skit. Now look at the next one, strap. Strap. Stress. The sound is stir. Sound is there. Stir. Don't say stir. Strap, stress. Scream, screw. Next one, print. Print. Proof. Proof. Next one, blank. Blank. Black. Now look at the next one, children. Close. Close is there. Clove. Next one, flood. Flow. Next one, globe. The same sound, initial sound you have to use and you have to frame the new word. Globe, glad. Next one, plan. Plan. Plane. Plane. That is plane. Plane. The next one, slow. The sound is slow. Sleep. Sleep. Break. Break. Brain. That is a brain. Crowd. Crowd. Crow. Crow. Next one, dream. Drain. Look at the next one, from. Frog. Next one, group. Ground. Ground. Tree. App. Trap. Next one, snap. Snail. Snap. Snail. Switch. Swing. The sound is swing. Next one, speed. Speed. Sport. Next one, splash. Spill. Splash. Split. Spilt. Next one, sprint. Spring. Spring. So you have to write according to this exercise. That is a sound initial blend. Word is given. That is a word is given with the initial blend. Using the same initial blend sound, you have to write a new word. So concentrate on the initial blend sound which is given in the red color. So with the same sound, you have to frame another one word. Now turn the next page, children. That is match the terminal blends. First we have learned the initial blend. That is the front portion. The first sound of a word is known as, that is the initial blend. The last sound of a word is known as terminal blend. So listen carefully, children. The words are given both in the left side and right side. First you have to read the sound. That is, you have to read the sound and then you have to match the terminal blend. So it is the last sound. The last sound of the letter. The letters will be also the same. The sound and letter will be the same for each word. That you have to find out and match. Look at this left side. Band. Look at the word band. Ind. The sound is ind. Band. Next one disc. Sk. The sound is sk sound. Next one camp. Ump. The sound is ump. Camp. The next one adult. Ilt. Adult. Ilt. The sound is ilt. Adult. The next one parent. Parent. Int. The sound is int. The next one last. Ist. The sound is ist. Last. Right side children. Dump. Ump. The sound is ump. Dump. The next one find. Ind. The sound is ind. The next one student. Int. The sound is int. Student. The next one risk. Isk. The sound is isk. Isk sound. The next one is the rest. R-E-S-T is rest. Ist. The sound is st. The next one fault. Ilt. Fault. So after reading this terminal blend children, you have to match it. Band. You can match with find. Both the terminal sounds are ind. Band. Find. Ind. The next one desk. Risk. Sk sound. Next one camp. Dump. Ump. Damp. It is a camp. Dump. Ump. The next one adult. Adult. What is the sound here? Adult. Ilt. The sound is ilt. Can match with fault. That is also ilt. Fault. Parent. Student. Int. The next one last rest. Ist. The sound is ist. Likewise you have to match the terminal blends. Soft. The sound is ift. Soft. Next one junk. Ink. Next accept. T. T. The sound is. Next one hard. Ird. Hard. The next one is cold. Ild. Cold. Next clerk. Irk. The sound is irk. Look at this side. Think. Think. Ink. The sound is think. Ink. Yard. Ird. Yard. Ird. Yard. Hold. Ild. Ild. The sound is ild. Hold. Next one raft. Uft. Raft. The next one is the work. Ik. Work. Accept. T. The sound is t. So according to the terminal blend sound, you can match children. Soft. You can match with raft. Both in the sound with uft. The terminal blend is uft. Soft. Raft. Junk. Think. Ink sound. Accept. Accept. The sound is t. Hard. Yard. Ird. Hard. Yard. The next one cold. Hold. Cold should match with cold. Next clerk. Work. Sound is. So the terminal blends means the second sound of each word should be matched. You have to match according to the terminal blend. Next Roman children, choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. So the options are given in the bracket. You have to go through the word and fill the blanks. The dash of an elephant is white in color. The options are given as tusk and then head, which is white in color for the elephant, either tusk or head. Yes, the tusk is white in color. So, you can write the answer as tusk. The next one, my new dash fits well. Which will fit for you? Either belt or book will fit in your body. Yes, the belt can fit in your body. So, you can write the answer as belt. Next one, John can lift or felt the box from the table. Felt means that is falling down. The lift means you can carry. So, John can carry which one? Lift, carry. Okay, for that word, lift. John can lift that box from the table. Next one, Ram broke the lamp or book in the bedroom. Which he can broke? Either book or lamp. Yes, he can broke only the lamp. Book means he can tear. So here Ram broke the lamp in the bedroom. So according to this, the options are given. Two options are given in the bracket. You have to choose which word is correct for that sentence, and then you have to fill your answer. Take your activity book, that is page number 4. In your activity book, look at this, write the missing vowels. The same way how you have completed the workbook, the same thing children. The vowels means that is A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are known as vowels and the remaining letters in the alphabets are known as consonants. So the picture is there. So first you have to look at the picture carefully. According to that, you can fill the answer. That is, you can fill the missing vowels in the blank to make the meaning of the picture. So look at the first one, top. The image is top. What the spelling here? T-O-P, top is there. The blanks, the letter, the vowel is missing. So you have to write the answer as O, T-O-P is stop. The vowel you have to write. Next, banana. What is the spelling for banana? B-A-N-A-N-A is banana. Here the vowels are missed. The letters A are missing. So you have to write it. The next one, wolf. The image is wolf. Here the vowel O is missed. So you can write it wolf. The next one, bus. B-U-S. Here we have used the vowel as U. Look at this. The next image is pen. What is the spelling for pen? P-E-N, pen. Here the vowel E is missed. So you have to fill. The next one, cow. The image is cow. C-O-W, cow. You have to write the letter O. The next one, key. K-E-Y, key. Here the vowel E is missed. You have to fill in the blanks. Next one, fish. What is the spelling for fish? F-I-S-H is fish. Here the vowels are missed. That is A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are vowels, children. The remaining letter in the alphabets are known as consonants. So you have to fill in the blanks using these vowel letters only. Now look at the next Roman, children. Start the next word with the ending letter of the previous word. Do not repeat the word. One is done for you. Here a word is given there. You have to look at the last letter of the word. With that letter only you have to begin the next word. For example, see here, tiger is given there. What is the ending letter? R is there. So with the help of the letter R, you have to begin the next word. So it is mentioned as rose. Look at the ending letter, the last letter of the word rose, E. It ends with the letter E. So by the next word, you should begin the letter with E. So egg is given there. The next, the letter G. End, the word end with G. Then the next word, you have to begin with the letter G. So girl. The last letter of this word is L. So the next word, you should begin with L. So it is mentioned as lion. The next N, it ends with N. So you should begin with the letter N. Nurse. Again the letter end with E in the word nurse. So the next letter you should begin only with the letter E. So likewise you have to frame the sentence, children. But no word should be repeat. You should not write the same word for 2 times. That is the rule here. So again listen, children. The first word is given there, tiger. It ends with the letter R. With that letter only you should begin with the next letter. That is the next word you should begin with. So rose. Then next egg, girl, lion. Likewise you have to frame the words. You should not repeat the words again. Look at the next page, children. Name the pictures using A or an. You have to fill the picture, that is fill the blanks using the letter either A or an. According to the picture, first you have to go through the picture and find out the name of the picture. Name of the picture. If the name of the picture, the first letter is in the vowel, that is A-E-I-O-U, you have to add the word as an. If the word, that is if the word of the name of the picture begin with consonant, you have to add the letter only A. So listen carefully, children. The first picture is island is there. The starting letter is I. It is in the vowel A-E-I-O-U. So you have to write the word as an island. The next one, cat. The letter is C, the consonant. The sound is consonant. So you have to write a cat. The next one, egg. E-G-G, egg. The letter is E. It is vowel. So before the vowel, you have to use the article as an. Before the vowel, you have to use an. Image, children, bat is there. So the first letter is B. B's letter is there. It is a consonant. So you can write as a bat. Next one, owl. The starting letter is O, vowel. So you can write as an owl. The next is the pot. The picture is pot. It is a consonant sound. You can use the word as a pot. Next one, kite. It is a consonant. So you can write as a kite. Next, umpire. Umpire. That is the vowel sound. So you can use an umpire. Dog. A dog. It is a consonant. So you can use as a dog. It is orange is there. Orange. It is the vowel sound. O is there. The letter vowel is there. So in front of the vowel you can write as an orange. Next one, fan. Fan is the consonant. So you can write as a fan. Next one, ant is there. It is the vowel letter A. So you can write before that ant. So again listen, children. If the word, that's the name of the picture, begin with the vowel, that is the A, E, I, O and U, you have to add an before that word. If it begin only with the consonant, you can add A. Page number 6, children. You have 5 different sized turtles on the shore. They are numbered from 1 to 5. Draw the corresponding turtles on either side of the phrases and read out the sentences. So children, there are 5 turtles are given. So each has numbered, and then each one is in different in color and also in size. So according to the phrases, or you can say as the words which is given, you have to fill the turtles, you have to draw and fill the turtles with the corresponding color and size, and then you have to read the sentence. First, look at the turtles, children. Observe the numbers of the turtles and size of the turtles. So the first one is blue in color, whereas bigger in size. The next one is number 3 is green in color. Number 4 is pink in color. Number 2 is red in color. And then number 5 is in yellow in color. So you have to first have a glance for this turtles with its color and its number. Then you can fill the answers. On seeing the picture, which turtle is the same size, children? Yes, red turtle and yellow turtle are same in size. So you have to draw the turtles, red turtle and yellow turtle, and you have to read the sentence. Red turtle is the same as yellow turtle. The next one, which is bigger than which? Yes, green turtle is bigger than pink turtle. Look at the difference between green and pink. Which is bigger? Green is bigger than pink turtle. The next one, which is smaller than? Yellow turtle is smaller than pink turtle. The next one, which is heavier? The weight. Heavier means the weight we can say. Blue turtle is heavier than green turtle. Blue turtle is heavier. Look at the size, children. It is very big. It is a very heavier. The weight is very heavy. So blue turtle is heavier than green turtle. So you have to draw the turtle and color it. The next page, children. Observe the number of objects in each picture and name them accordingly. So you have to find out how many pictures are there. It is only one or more than one. If it is a more than one means you have to add either yes or es according to the word. If it is a only one word means you can add just yes. So listen, children. Kite is there. It is a only one thing is there. So you can write as it is. Next, clouds. It is more than one, so you can add as yes, clouds. Next one, hat. Only one hat is there, H-A-T, hat. The next one is the mugs. That is more than one is there, so the mugs. So you have to write the word as mugs, M-U-G-S, mugs. Look at the next one, children. That is the stars is there. That is more than one. We can add the letter as yes, stars. Next one is the torches is there. How many torches? That is more than one. How you have to write the spelling? Either yes or es. Listen carefully, children. First you have to write the name of the object or name of the picture. Torch. T-O-R-C-H. You can write it. If it end with C-H, that is more than one, we can add the letter as E-S. E-S. If it end with O-X, C-H, S-H, S or S-S, you have to add the letter ES to convert into many. That is for the plural one, we can add this letter either yes or es. Torches, flag. There is only one flag, so we can write as flag. The next one, churches is there. There is a 2 churches there, so you can write as churches. How you should write the spelling? C-H-U or C-H is church. It is more than one. So 2 is there, plural form. It end with C-H. So you can add the letter as E-S. Churches. Watches. That is a more than one. 2 watches there. How you have to write it? Watches. The next one is the tomato. There is only one tomato is there. So you can write as it is the tomato. The next one, axes. That is more than one. 2 axes there. So you can write as axes. End with yes. So you can write as axes. The next one, dresses. So more than one dress. You can write as dresses. How you can add either yes or es, children? Look at the ending letter. Yes is there for the word dress. So we can add the letter es. If the word end with yes or ss or o or x or ch or sh, you can add the letter es to convert into many. For the many, you can add this letter either yes or es. The next one, rats. There is more than one. You can write as rats. Fox there, more than one, you can write as foxes, EX, because the word fox end with X, so you can add ES to convert into many. foxes. The next one, there is only one rose is there, so we can write as rose. The next one, more than one potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. End with O, so we can add ES to convert into many. Next one, children, that is the name the pictures using blends. The words are given at the end. So at the end of this page, the words are given. So according to that, you have to fill the blends here. So listen, children, first you have to identify the picture, what is it, and the words are given at the back. With the blends you can fill it. The first picture is, what is it? Blocks. So what is the letters here? B-L. So the answer is B-L, blocks. The next, what is the picture, children? Glass. What is the letter you have to use? G-L. G-L as glass. Blocks, glass. Children, what is it? Clip is there. The sound is K-L. It is K-L, up, clip. Next one, flower is there. F-L. The sound is F-L, flower. Next one, what is it? Plus. P-L, P-L, plus. Next one, what is the picture? Brick. B-R, brick. Frog. The sound is F-R. The blank is given there to fill the blends. So you can fill with F-R, frog. The next one, dash is there. The first blend sound is missed. So you can fill as, what is this picture? Slide. You all like to play this, no? Slide. S-L, slide. Frog, slide. Is there. The blend sound is P-R. Price, price. The next one is crab. K-R, crab, crab. What is the deer is doing? Drinking. It is drink. D-R, drink. D-R, drink. The next one, T-R, trunk. Scale, sk, sk. The sound is sk. The blend sound is sk. Scale. The next one, stamp is st. The sound is st. Stamp. So I have to fill the blends as st. Stamp. The next one, smoke. Smoke. The next one, what is the picture here? Grass. G-R, grass. Scale, stamp, smoke, grass. Spin. The sound is sp. The sound is sp. Spin. So you can write the letter as S and P. That is a spin. The next one, snake is in. Snake. Spin, snake. Swing. The name of the picture is swing. What is the sound? Swing. The next one, what is the book? Scrapbook. Scrapbook. Sk. R. Next you have to give the sound as R sound. Skr. Scrap. Scrapbook. Scrapbook. Look at the next image, children. Skull. Sk. The sound is sk. Skull. Sk. Skull. Next one, strong. Stir. Strong. Skull, strong. Sk sound, stir, 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 strong. So children, the blend sounds are given. So below there are so many words are given. First you have to go through all these words. First read this blend words and then according to the picture you have to fill your answers. So children, revise well for your upcoming periodic test 1. Everyone should get very good marks. So practice well, read louder, open your mouth, pronounce the word with the spelling, and then you have to learn for your upcoming periodic test. Thank you.